Hey guys, the rapid expansion of artificial intelligence in various aspects of our daily lives drives a combination of excitement and apprehension contingent upon one's perspective. While some individuals express concerns about its potential to bring about our imminent downfall, others perceive it as a valuable asset that can enhance the human experience. Irrespective of personal viewpoints, it is undeniable that AI has firmly established itself in our society and is here to stay. One particular manifestation of AI, ChatGPT, has emerged as a significant turning point in the field. Renowned for its wide-ranging applicability and adaptability, ChatGPT holds the potential to exert unforeseen and profound influences on the economy. As AI continues to evolve and advance, it is likely to create new opportunities while rendering certain skills and jobs not necessary. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are 7 jobs that ChatGPT can fully replace in 5 years. First one is manufacturing. Robotic systems have become a necessary presence within assembly lines and manufacturing plants, with their utilization dating back several decades. The inception of industrial robots in the United States can be tracked back to early as 1962, marking the beginning of a significant technological advancement that continues to shape our industries. It is important to distinguish between artificial intelligence and robotics, as they represent distinct yet interrelated fields. While robots play a pivotal role in various industrial processes, they still require human intervention for tasks such as maintenance, diagnostics, and operational oversight. The synergy between human operations and robotic systems has resulted in increased efficiency and productivity in many industries. However, the pursuit of further optimization and efficiency remains a constant objective for businesses. In this endeavor, there is the potential for AI to assume responsibilities traditionally performed by human workers, including inspections and quality control. As AI technologies continue to advance, there is the possibility that employers may delegate these crucial tasks to intelligent systems. The second one is cashiers. The utilization of self-checkout lanes in grocery stores across the United States has provided us with a glimpse into the concept of shopping without cashiers. This technology allows customers to scan and pay for their items without the assistance of a human cashier, streamlining the checkout process and enhancing convenience. However, the expansion of cashier-less systems also raises concerns about the future of cashiers' jobs. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, there is a projected decline of 10% in the employment of cashiers from 2021 to 2031. This decline is attributed to the increasing automation of checkout processes and the growing adoption of self-service technologies. The third one is programming. ChatGPT has demonstrated the ability to generate code in multiple programming languages. However, it should be noted that ChatGPT relies on prompts from human users to generate code, and its output may not always meet the highest standards of security or bug-free implementation. Nevertheless, when it comes to relatively straightforward programming tasks, ChatGPT exhibits competence and proficiency. Many routine programming tasks that are currently handled by human programmers can be effectively addressed by ChatGPT. It can assist with tasks such as writing simple algorithms, generating code snippets, or providing basic programming solutions. Its ability to generate code provides a potential avenue for increasing productivity, automating repetitive coding tasks, and assisting programmers in generating initial drafts or prototypes. Another one is data analysis. Data analysis encompasses the process of examining and interpreting raw data in various formats to derive meaningful insights. This analytical journey spans a wide range of domains, ranging from financial analysis to performance reporting, and plays a crucial role in decision-making and problem-solving across industries. Both human analysts and technology have long been involved in the field of data analysis. Analysts bring their domain expertise, critical thinking skills, and contextual understanding to extract valuable insights from complex data sets. However, with the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, there is an increasing potential for AI-powered tools to enhance and potentially streamline the process of data analysis and reporting. These AI tools have the ability to analyze vast amounts of data with speed and accuracy, identify patterns, trends, and anomalies, and generate actionable insights. Another one is data entry. Data entry involves a series of repetitive tasks such as inputting various types of information, including text, numbers, and dates, into databases or software systems. Additionally, it involves the crucial step of verifying the accuracy of the entered data, reviewing it for errors, and making necessary corrections. Furthermore, data entry often requires formatting, organizing, and managing the data to ensure it is easily accessible and structured appropriately. Undoubtedly, data entry is a labor-intensive and time-consuming process, making it a prime candidate for automation through AI-powered data extraction and processing tools. These advanced tools have the potential to streamline and optimize data entry tasks by leveraging artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing techniques. Another one is legal assistance. Legal assistants and paralegals play a vital role in supporting lawyers and law firms by handling various tasks such as conducting research, drafting legal documents, managing cases, and assisting with administrative responsibilities. Given the language-intensive nature of their profession, it becomes evident that the legal field is a promising arena for the integration of AI technology. The incorporation of AI in legal processes has the potential to streamline and enhance efficiency in various aspects of legal work. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of legal data, including court cases, statutes, and legal precedents, to provide comprehensive research support. By automating the research process, AI can quickly identify relevant information, extract key insights, and help legal professionals make informed decisions. In addition to research, AI can assist in the drafting of legal documents. Through natural language processing algorithms, AI tools can analyze existing legal templates, contracts, and agreements to generate customized drafts based on specific requirements. Another one is market research. Market research encompasses the comprehensive analysis of consumers, business landscapes, industries, market trends, and various market dynamics. This process entails dealing with vast amounts of data, and this is where the potential of AI becomes evident. AI technologies have proven their competence in handling data-intensive tasks. By leveraging AI-powered tools, market researchers can automate data collection processes, saving time and effort. AI algorithms can efficiently gather, organize, and process large volumes of data from diverse sources such as surveys, social media platforms, customer feedback, and market reports. The strength of AI lies not only in its ability to handle data, but also in its advanced analytical capabilities. With sophisticated machine learning algorithms, AI can uncover meaningful patterns, correlations, and insights hidden within the data. By identifying key factors that influence consumer behavior, AI can help predict future trends and anticipate market demands. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So guys, do you believe that artificial intelligence will fully replace certain jobs in the future? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.